What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and I'm wishing every single one of you a happy new year. For today, we're making scallops, spaghetti, and caviar. For today's video, guys, we're gonna be making scallops using hearts of palm. All right, you can find these in your supermarket or on Amazon. They could deliver it right to your door. All right, family, so for these beautiful scallops, we're gonna just try to cut it about 4 pieces or maybe 3, nice and big. Okay, family, so you're gonna want to get your knife and just slice your hearts of palm on both sides. Remember, this is a veganized version of your scallops, and we want it to come out perfect. Alright, family, so we're gonna add some butter to the pan. Alright, family, so we can start putting in our scallops. Cook your scallops for about 2 minutes on both sides. Alright, family, there's a new product review. I found these at Trader Joe's, and this makes every single thing taste like seafood. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go. I'm gonna sprinkle my seaweed seasoning, guys. I purchased some new seasoning from Trader Joe's, and it tastes and smells amazing. Alright, family, so we're gonna flip these scallops on the other side. Woo, look at that sear, guys. Look at that color. It's beautiful. Looks just like scallops. Alright, guys, so we're gonna add some more of the seaweed seasoning I purchased at Trader Joe's on top, so it can have that nice scallop fishy taste. So we're gonna add in our sweet peas to the pan. And then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of butter. Add some green onions. Family, so for this recipe, I'm gonna be using a half a cup of kombucha instead of wine. Alright, guys, add some black pepper. Add some chipotle seasoning. Alright, family, so the sauce is finally ready with the sweet peas. So now we could begin to plate our dish. It's finally ready. I made scallops, spaghetti, and caviar with sweet peas and a kombucha sauce, guys. It's so delicious. Now it's time to eat. Alright, family, so we're gonna try this scallop and this caviar first. Let's give it a bite. Oh wow, this tastes amazing, guys. Try it with the pasta. See you next week.